Tommy Trader, we have Amazon in the after hours. They beat on the top line, they beat on the bottom line. Then they talk about the AI story that is pumping this stock. Yes, it is up $13 right now. What I can tell you is the option players, once again, were buying it in a very, very big way. And we'll talk a little bit about what these options are. And they were buying the 165 call right here, and they bought 55,000 contracts on the 155, 165. So they bought 35,000 contracts on the 160. Yes, they did. They bought 35,000. That was a big purchase. We can see the low was 335. These contracts will gap up $15 in the morning. Sign up for our trading option program. Get in our live trading room today. Get these big gains in options. They are certainly out there. You can see the volume that was traded, and it was a great volume. I can't believe they bought 39,000 contracts. These all expire tomorrow. Once again, let us help you with your journey in the marketplace. It's about time that Amazon, after investing all of that money, and now they're investing $4 billion in that AI chip that's going to help push revenue. So we have broken out to all-time highs. Once again, the option trades, boy, did they pay the big money.